of racing began in 1982 when a TVS moped clocked 105 kilometers per hour. Since then, we've never looked back. In 1988, the AX100 won the Great Himalayan Desert Rally. In 1992, the TVS Supra won the National Rally Championship. To commemorate this achievement, 250 special rally kit editions were made and sold. A revolution in racing began in 1993 as the Shogun kicked off scheme bike racing in India. The iconic TVS Shaolin stamped its authority on the track and picked up the Indian National Rally Championship and the Supercross Championship in 1998. The period from 2000 to 2005 saw the legendary TVS Fiero dominate the grid. The bike won multiple road racing, Supercross, and Indian National Rally Championships. 2005 saw a new benchmark being set for performance with the launch of the TVS Apache RTR. The bike still continues to rule the track with a 90% win rate and multiple national championships. We won the SLADA and Sri Lanka National Championship in 2011 and asserted our dominance again in 2016 and 2017. In 2015, we took on the toughest race on earth. We left our mark in Dakar as the first Indian manufacturer. We believe that racing should have no boundaries. That's why we created history in 2016 by becoming the first factory racing team in India to sign a woman racer while also launching the Women's Road Racing Cup. In 2017, the TVS Apache RTR cemented its supremacy by winning its 6th consecutive INMRC title. In 2019, we bagged a 12th place finish in the Dakar Rally, our best result in the grueling rally. TVS Racing bagged the INMRC Championship in Pro Stock 300 to 400cc category. 2020 marked our 11th INMRC title, a feat no other manufacturer has achieved. This year also marked our entry in the Asian Road Racing Championship. Our legacy has been shaped on the track since 1982, and we continue our race towards glory.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to extend a warm welcome on behalf of TVS Motor Companies to each one of you, all our media guests, our esteemed customers, channel partners, and my dear colleagues. I would also extend my regards to everyone who is watching this live. I hope that you and your family are staying safe. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedules and being with us today. Today, we are here to launch the exciting new platform that makes its foray with the flagship brand TVS Apache RR310. This platform is a testament to our commitment to being at the forefront of ensuring customer delight. So before we begin the proceedings for today, there seems to be a slight confusion on the embargo. So this event is live currently, so you are please welcome to tweet, share, and please remember to use the hashtag #BeUnique. At TVS Motor, our motto has always been the bikes we race are the bikes we sell. You've all witnessed how the TVS Apache brand is a platform to bring our learnings from the racetrack straight to our customers. Backed by 4 decades of racing pedigree and consumer insight, the brand has evolved steadily to set newer benchmarks and curate an array of exclusive customer experiences. So without further ado, I would like to invite Mr. Vekshan Digole, Head Marketing, Premium Motorcycles, to talk about TVS Apache's evolution and the new offering. Thank you.
Yeah. Keeping it down? No, it's okay. Good evening. Warm welcome to all our guests, media partners, all expert riders of this country, all the customers who are watching us live across the globe in India. Very big warm welcome. We all coming out of very difficult time for last 2 years, and it's really big pleasure for me to host all of you here on the best place we always enjoy, which is combination of riding and launch. So for this launch from MMRT Chennai, I welcome all of you to something what we are going to witness from TVS Motor Company stable, which is very exciting, and it's new beginning for our organization. I will be taking you through our vision, our market structure, the brief history about TVS Racing, TVS Apache brand, our customer understanding so far, and the 2021 launch, which is the main cause of this event. We are always consistently delighting our customers through uniquely designed, thoughtfully engineered, extremely designable quality products, which are delightfully executed. Let's look at the two-wheeler business so far. In Indian motorcycle industry, the motorcycles are around 71%. Out of that, the premium industry, what we classify as 150 to 500 cc segment, is around 13% of the total industry. In the super premium category or fully fed bike, ever since launch of 2017, the RR 310 is being a major success for us, and we hold a very big market share in that. Let's look at the TVS racing history, which started in 1982. You saw a beautiful film, and the quote, "The bike we race, the bike we sell." So TVS Racing is being inherent part of our motorcycle development program, and it is being always consistently supporting us very well and complementing, and we are always being able to bring the best-in-class technologies with TVS Racing help to the customers. The journey started in 1982 with successful testing of moped crossing 105 km/h, as you saw in the film which we saw in the beginning. In 2015, we challenged Dakar from India. We were the first factory team to participate, and we had a very good beginning since then. 2020, we were at 12th position as a factory team. 2020, we won the ION MRC 300 to 400 cc class. Moving forward in 2020, we also won the ION MRC group 165 cc class. Come 2021, Harit Nova finished as the first rider in the top 20 in the Dakar Rally. We are so blessed to have TVS Racing housed in the same place where we manufacture, where we design. We have a R&D and we have a test track. We always have a big team of expert engineers, expert test riders who are working shoulder to shoulder with our R&D design engineers to resharpen and sharpen all the technologies, what we are doing, the product features we are offering, and we always get a first-hand feedback from all these people. The Apache journey, which started in 2005, is also being quite exciting. We started our journey with Apache 150, and since then, there were many first technologies offered by TVS Motor Company through this platform. We launched our first FI bike, followed by the ABS with our 2011 model. That was further, our Apache brand strong position became very strong in 2019 with the RTR racing series being completely upgraded. Come to 2020, we had launched the Apache 200cc 4V with ride mode. That was also first in its class, or I would say first in the world motorcycle industry, where this class of the vehicle has got true-blooded the riding modes. Coming to 2021, you saw earlier this year, we launched in March the most powerful 164V, and still we are the most powerful 164V Apache. Let's look at the RR journey in brief. The Apache RR 310 was launched based on the TVS BMW collaboration project, where we shared quite a few engineering, and we all did engineering with help. It was inspired by the Akula design. We saw first time a reverse inclined DOSC engine. We saw the best in class aerodynamic and the still unmatched fit and finish and race finish at the best possible quality. 2019, on the same track, you all witnessed introduction of sleeper clutch and further refinement in the riding quality, handling quality, based on all the feedback in first 2 years of its launch. Come to 2020, the BS6 introduction of Apache RR 310 had phenomenal step forward, and we saw introduction of BS6 Apache RR 310 with 4 fantastic ride modes. We had 2 engine power modes, we had 3 ABS modes, making it most versatile race bike in the industry. We had a super TFT instrument connected cluster, which we call it as a race computer, which offered host of customization in form of placement of widgets depending upon the customer choice. So we are always given that liberty to the customer to use the bike as per his own choice. We also saw Michelin Road 5 introduction with the same product, and of course the dual tone color theme, which became very popular moving forward. So what's in 2021 for all of us? We are in huge customer connect programs through our experience program. Our customers who are connecting to us in form of AOG, ARE, and of course the spectators what we get for APP. We are in continuous touch. We are always listening to all the auto media, your blogs, your articles, the video reviews, and the feedback what you are getting after every product what we do. The customer is becoming more and more selective. He wants to have what exactly and specifically he wants in his product, what he is going to buy. Even though he is part of big biker group, he always wants to maintain his individual identity, which is very crucial. The bike what he owns, the bike what he rides in his society, in his college, in his workplace, or in his friend circle, it's reflection of his personality, his or her personality. There is a big need to have host of latest technology. They always want to update their bike. They want to get into a specific selected articles, accessories, or color themes. The customization is very important to these customers, and in short, they want to be unique. So theme for today is my bike, my identity, and my statement. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to announce a new entry of TVS Motor Company in completely new platform, completely new vertical, and a business module. TVS Built to Order. TVS Built to Order is a personalization and customization platform. Let's see what are the key highlights of it. It will be industry first, where the bike will be built as per the customer selection, as per the customer order, after the order is placed. So moving away from build to stock, we are going here build to order. We will be offering very high-end and aspirational technologies through this platform, making it feasible for the customer to pick and select exactly what he wants in his or her bike. We will be also offering the customer power to choose, power to customize and personalize his bike. The booking process is made already very simple and easy with our flagship augmented reality program, which you all saw for last 2 years, and it's getting popular as a selection or bike exploring tool called TVS Arrive. And we are also launching a web configurator from today onward, where this customization will be possible. The customer will be able to do live order tracking once the bike order is being placed, and they will be able to monitor the progression of the bike in the factory till the bike is received. I'll be talking about it in a detail in upcoming presentations. So we will be offering a very safe, secure and convenient platform for vehicle bike experience. Let's run through the customer buying process. The customer, when he wants to build a bike, what he wants to own, he will be using the Arrive or the web configurator. He has to use the login with TVS Connect. The customization and personalization process will follow through, and we have huge range of premium dealers who are presently offering the RR310 sale and service throughout the country. He has to select one of the nearest dealer from that list or drop down list, and the bike will be available to that place for his further processing. The servicing will be available with the same dealer once the bike is being owned by the customer. The customer will place an online order which will be available at TVS Motor Company operation desk, and then he has to wait for the delivery or the information from our side. Moving forward, we are offering a real-time order tracking. The salient feature of the order tracking are the order receipt, the order confirmation, the production, packaging, and dispatch to the dealer. When the bike is available at the dealership, the customer can come and take the possession of the bike in a small ceremony. I am very happy that on this fantastic new vertical, the first offering is of course one of the best race machine from TVS Motor Company, the Apache RR310 BTO 2021. So let's see what we have on card for the RR310 as the first BTO bike from TVS Motor Company. The bike will have 2 performance kits. The first kit will be dynamic kit, which will have a fully adjustable Kayaba front fork, fully adjustable rear monoshock, and an anti-rust brass coated drive chain. The second kit will be race kit, which will enable the customer to ride in a very aggressive, a tuck down riding position in form of a new handlebar, uplifted the rider footrest, a null foot peg for very superior grip. Apart from this, the personalization portion, the customers will be able to personalize once they have selected the performance kit. They can personalize the bike for that kit in forms of our own newly launched TVS Racing One Make Championship inspired race replica graphics. We will also have a selection option for the alloy wheel color depending on the customer choice, and a very unique offering as part of BTO personalization. a personalized race number, which is always dear to the customer as per his or her personal choice. Apart from this, the base RR310 also getting upgraded with few small features or key features, I would say. A DigiDock system where the customers will be able to transfer their RC book or driving license directly to the very superior looking TFT instrument cluster from our TVS Connect app. It will have a dray meter. Mr. Babu will be taking you through the details of this and the utility of this to the customer in upcoming presentation. We are also considering the importance of life of engine and good health monitoring. We are introducing a very intelligent dynamic rev limit indicator and also the overspeed indicator, which the rider can set as alarm for himself when you are riding or when you are going for long rides. The basic RR310 will also get a new update on new race muffler, which is being sound engineered over last 3-4 years based on your feedback for a very, very racier exhaust note. And the exhaust system comes with a new geometry which will permit much more lean angle, which we'll see the technical detail in upcoming presentation. The bike will also come with Wavebyte key, offering much higher and advanced additional security to the customer. Let's follow the launch sequence.
When do you truly have control? At the pit or the paddock? Or seconds from the start? Is control inches from clipping the apex? In the search for the perfect lap, every racer has their own line. Before a true track weapon leaves its mark on the finish line, it's crafted by you on the assembly line. Now with TVS Built to Order, you can customize the track weapon your way. Choose your preferred performance kit options to attack corners the way you want. As well as getting the perfect racing stance. Graphics with personalized numbers to make a statement on the track. The TVS Apache RR310. Now built to order, crafted for you, crafted to be unique.
Sriram Digole and Mr. R. Babu to join us on the stage, please.
Next.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Customers today are looking for a personalized and enhanced value that matches their need. The new Build to Orders platform is in line with the company's ethos of fulfilling our customers' desire to customize and personalize their vehicle, thereby making it an extension of their lifestyle. To take you through the details of the technology, I invite Mr. R. Babu, Vice President, R&D, on stage, please.
Check. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome you all again, and it's really nice to be here with all of you, close to the track, on the bike that has to be on the track. I'll quickly take you through the technical details of what have we done to create this customizable Apache RR310. The contents of the kit is what my colleague Digole walked you through. It comes with a dynamic kit that gives you the option to configure the suspension the way you want it for the day, for the ride that you want to take. The race kit enables you to get an ergonomics that more suits for a track day, and it could be also for a day where you want to have a fast-paced riding. And the race muffler, the intelligent clusters, the safety and reliability features, and all of that with also a visual treat of a race replica graphic coming out of the legendary racing pedigree, and that makes the bike so much configurable. Some of the details about what we do with each one of them. The Apache RR310 is already known to be the best in class in terms of its ability to handle and the way you can enjoy the bike, flip it, throw it on the track or on the roads. Equally, it offers the comfort. But as R&D guys, we always keep coming down to this track, and we have few other tracks as well. We keep riding, we keep tuning, we keep tweaking, and we see that we enjoy the bike so much that there is so much more to help our customers, enable our customers to explore the bike. And that's where we decided that we should empower our customers to explore the RR310 more. What you see here as a depiction of the possibilities as a pictorial representation. I know many of you ride and you know what it means to have a suspension setting if you want it on a track day and if you are going for a comfortable ride in a city, an urban commute or a long ride. And the suspension generally tends to go to the sides of being stiff, being soft. But what we have done here is complete re-engineering of the inner wall package, all the finer parts, the engineering precision, and pushed the base horizon itself up. And that's what you see as the red curve that shows that even the base performance is taken to next level. And with the adjustable suspensions, both at the front and rear, let's look at what it has. The front suspension has 20-step rebound adjustable damping and 20-step compression damping, and also 15 millimeters of preload adjustment. As you see, it's so easy on top that you can instantly adjust for the day, for the ride. And if you are biking a lot, if you are on the track, and if you want to take few laps and come back and do your setting, it's instantaneous that you can play with it. With change of damping, the way the range is given, it's possible for you to be so quick on the track. An amateur can typically get, for example, up to 3 seconds of time cut down. In every corner, you see the bike responding to you and predictable, and you can push your limit, and the bike has got a lot more to offer. The rear suspension goes with the front with 20-step rebound damping and 10-step preload adjustment. The preload is set and when you start for your liking, for your weight and the way you want it, and the damping you can adjust at a jiffy. With the key, there is a feature that's given that you can instantly adjust the damping on the go. Can we have the suspension product film, please?
When does a racer truly have control? Is it inches from clipping the apex? Now the control starts at the assembly line before you hit the racing line. With the Dynamic Kit, tune your track weapon with adjustable race suspension. Adjust preload, compression, and rebound damping for that perfect racing line. With TVS built to order, you can customize the track weapon your way. Choose your preferred performance kit options, graphics, and personalized race numbers. The TVS Apache RR310, now built to order. Crafted for you. Crafted to be unique.
The next is the race kit, and if you are out on the track, you would like to tuck down, you would like to hug the bike, and you would like to be part of the bike yourself. And the race kit with 30 millimeters lifted up foot peg and inward and downward handlebar. It helps you to tuck down, hug the bike. Not only that, it also enables the bike to lean more. We get another 4.5 degrees of banking angle for you to test your ability and push the bike to the corner. All that adds to gain the speed in the corners. And it's not just about only for a track day. It could be for a long trip on a day where you want to go on a fast pace. It's something that you can just swap, snap fit the footrest, and then get the ergonomics that you want on that day. The ergonomics film, please.
When does a racer truly have control? Is it found on the starting line, raring to go? Your position on the saddle now extends to the production line. With the race kit, get race ergonomics, which gives you control on the track weapon like never before. With TVS built to order, you can customize the track weapon your way. Choose your preferred performance kit options, graphics, and personalized race numbers. The TVS Apache RR310, now built to order, crafted for you, crafted to be unique.
The new exhaust, the muffler, that's been configured to enable the higher banking angle, and so the geometry is changed. And just not that, the internals also have been further tweaked to enhance the racy throat of the exhaust, and that adds to the performance response of the bike. The numbers don't change, but when you ride, you can see that the response is even more crisp, even more refined. The cluster, with all this, we also ride ourselves, and we keep seeing that there are certain practical needs when you want to ride, when you want to not to bother about many other things and just have a hassle-free ride. And on the road, if you have to pull out any of your docks, if there is a cop, and if you have to keep looking for your wallet or a mobile phone, No hassles. You can store your docs in the DigiDoc, in the cluster, be it the bike's registration certificate or your GL, and with your hand switch, you can pull out the document and that comes on the screen to show. And it also comes with additional features that again add up to the right. The dynamic engine rev limit indicator. This is something where with EFI, you know that the engine computer has a lot of information, and as we have ridden ourselves and seen that it's something that's valuable, with which if we build an intelligence, it's possible to enable the customers to preserve the engine's finesse for a long duration. Otherwise, we see that customers typically on a bike like RR, they want to rev. They want to keep opening the throttle. A cold engine, it takes a bit of time to warm up, and the friction is high, the oil is yet to warm up, and unnecessarily if you rev, then the engine you are losing over time when you keep, I don't want to call it as abuse, but unknown use if you do that. So to enable these customers to get to know what is the rev limit, it's a dynamic limit that changes when the engine is cold or when the engine is warm and when the engine is very hot. That aids to preserve the finesse of the engine for a long duration and enhances the engine durability. Another feature is the day trip meter. I ride the day, I enjoy the day, and end of the day I want to look back, what did I do? How long did I ride? For how many hours? What kilometers? What's my top speed? What's the average speed that I did? How much fuel did I consume? So with the click of a button, I get to see my day in a brief of what did I do on the day. That's a feature that adds to a day's ride, just to take a look back. And an overspeed indication, it also is again something that helps. If you want to set a limit for yourself on a day, say 90 kilometers per hour, and let me see if I can maintain within that, or another day you want to raise it to 120, 140. So this speed is settable by the rider. He or she can choose, and it is again up to on that day what you want to do and how do you want to get the feedback from the bike. To add to the safety and reliability of Apache RR 310, it comes with Wavebyte key, and this Wavebyte key enhances the security, and it also comes with the small feature which you can easily adjust the damping of the front suspension. And the brace coated drive chain that comes as part of the dynamic kit, that not only adds to the visual appearance of the race bike, and also it adds to the rust prevention protection, enhancing again the durability of the bike. You've seen the bike with the race replica graphics. That's part of the build to order. It comes from the racing pedigree, with the livery originating from there with high contrast colors. That's something with the personalized race number on it. You show to the world what you ride. That's on the technical details. Of course, later on, any further detailed questions, let's connect.
Thank you, sir. Requesting Mr. Digole, sir, to join us back on the stage for the prize announcement.
Thank you, Babu, for the fantastic journey and taking everybody through the technical features. And I think for the most awaited part of the presentation, a very key information on pricing. The base Apache RR 310 price from today onward will be 2,59,990. Apart from that, all the customization kits are available at very, very competitive pricing. The dynamic kit with all the adjustable suspension is available at additional price of 12,000 rupees. The race kit with new ergonomic positions and the racier posture will be available for additional cost of 5,000 rupees. The customers can choose the race replica graphics at additional cost of 4,500, and the race wheel will be available at additional cost of 1,500. And of course, as we explained in the BTO platform base presentation, the customers are free to choose the features as per their own choice. So I would really request all the customers the intended customers to go through the web configurator and Arrive app to place their orders. All these prices are over and above the ex-showroom price of the product what I just announced. The minimum booking amount what you have to pay at the point of booking is only the additional delta cost what you have selected. You don't have to pay the base price of the vehicle at the point of booking. You will have to do a normal booking or buying process when you know the bike is ready for delivery at our factory. The customer will get the intimation, our dealer will get intimation. You can go through a normal RR buying process, and you can of course go through the finance options through the dealers which are available across India, and the buying process gets completed. To begin with, moving forward over next few months, the number of bikes which are available on this platform will be limited. As a special occasion, considering the big festival months ahead, for month of September and month of October, we will be releasing 150 bike each with this configuration. So request all the intended buyers to start their booking process now and grab the first 150 bikes available for them to buy for the month of September. The online booking now opens. Apart from that, we want to encourage our existing customers who are loving the Apache RR310 since December 2017. All the existing customers will be able to buy these products as accessory and still enjoy this customization. So the race handlebar, the race footrest, and the race foot peg, all three options are available for all the RR310, and they are directly interchangeable for all RRs from 2017. Nevertheless, the cluster and software upgrade, whatever new features are released today, are available to our BS6 customers who have purchased the vehicle after the BS6 introduction in Jan 2020. Thank you very much.
We'll also go through an online booking journey now.
So you have to log on to the TVS Arrive app. You get into a base page where you see all the options. In that, you can see in the bottom table, there is a build to order option. You select on build to order and you get into an environment of build to order. You have 5 different configurations you can book for you to do your selection. You come to a configurator menu, where in the configuration you see the base price as 259,990. You get a menu to select from the bottom kit, where you can select the dynamic kit, race kit, and automatically the product get updated with all these features. And the price on the right corner get updated depending upon whatever selection you have. On the color options, based on the for example, this black color vehicle, you can change the alloy wheel color. You can again go back and go to the race replica graphic, and the bike is of course updated. I believe the most sought after number, you can select here the number of your own choice. I'm sure this will be most consumed number in the country. You can save your configuration the way you want. You can use it for future reference. You save the bike and you are ready to go for the further progressions. You go to the booking page, you accept the terms and directly go and place the order. You get the sum of all the choice what you have got. You are redirected to the online booking website of TVS Motor Company, where we go through the online booking process what is available even today for all the bike purchase. Thank you so much. I think, I'm sure the web configurator and the Arrive app you all will enjoy, and the booking process is on. Thank you so much.
We now open the floor for question and answers. I request Mr. R. Babu to join us on the stage, please.